This is the set that makes your Punjabi sound more natural and more human. Welcome back to my 100 Punjabi Sentences series, and we're building your Punjabi one sentence at a time. We're moving into opinions, timings, and little reaction lines that real conversations need. 1 minute. A tiny phrase but huge everyday value. Ik mint. Ik mint. This next one is easy to use with food, volume, time, and loads of situations. A little more. Thoda hor. Thoda hor. That's enough. Bas bahut ya. Bas bahut a. Everything okay? Sab theek ya? A really smooth check-in line. Say it with me. Sab theek ya? You can also say sab kuch theek ya? Don't worry. Fikr na karo. Fikr na karo. Not right now. Halle nahi. Halle nahi. This one is useful when you want to stay polite but still set a boundary. Halle nahi. Yeah, of course. Hanji theek ya. Hanji theek ya. This one is great if you don't want the conversation to feel one-sided. What do you think? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਆ? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਆ? I agree. मैं सहमत ਹਾਂ. मैं सहमत हाँ. I don't agree. मैं नहीं सहमत ਹਾਂ. मैं नहीं सहमत हाँ. Alternatively, for I agree, you can also say आ गल ठीक ਆ. And for I don't agree, आ गल नहीं ठीक आ. Let's do a quick run through. 1 minute. थोड़ा होर. बस बहुत या. सब ठीक या. Or सब कुछ ठीक या. फिक्र ना करो. हल्ले नहीं. हाँ जी, कोई गल नहीं. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਆ? मैं सहमत ਹਾਂ. Or ਆ ਗੱਲ ਠੀਕ ਆ. मैं सहमत नहीं ਹਾਂ. Or ਆ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਆ. Next time we'll keep going with opinions and phrases like I forgot and say it once more. Until then, take care. Sat Sri Akal ji.